go. There's a nice top water plug. Top water bath for Rich up in the front of the boat, yeah. There he is. All right. Wrapped in the face. Oh, horrible, horrible. Yep. I did it. It was my mistake too. He's on, he's running the boat. I got one in gear here.
Look, right.
Oh, right here, Rich.
Yeah.
Oh my God, look at them all.
Those must be out.
I don't know what they are, but look at that, man. Woo!
See them?
It's all right over here, Phil. You're on? Oh, we got a double hookup. Hang on, guys. Hang on. We're riding the wave. We're riding the wave. I think they're bluefish.
No, they're out.
That's a bass that just jumped out of the water.
Yeah,
Yeah, but that's a bass, man. I've seen bass do that. Oh my God, we got bass everywhere.
It's exploding.
Hang on, guys. I'm pulling us out of this, all right? All right, I got it both in gear. Just gonna take us slow out of here. We're riding some of these waves.
Oh, yes. Was that a beautiful sight?
Oh my God, I got it on video too. Woohoo!
It's still there.
Oh, look at them jumping. Oh my God, look at them in the wave back there. Holy moly, all the fish in the wave there were just exploding on the waves. Wow, look at them, right here, right here, right here. Look. Find them out. Wow.
Oh, yes.
Holy, that's the coolest thing. Oh, look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Over you.
Under, over. Oh my God, that's the coolest thing. Look at that. Wow, look at that. Wow, that's cool.
That's the one thing I don't want to come back as a bait fish.
An anchovy, right? Look at him exploding. I never saw that.
You know what's happening? The bay is empty.
Oh, Jesus. Hang on, guys. How you guys doing over here? Bluefish. I saw one bluefish. What's the other guy? Two bluefish?
Two bass.
All right, good. We got one bass, one bluefish. Okay, still got the engines in gear. I'm going to get us out of here. Don't cross. If you cross, go under. Under and over. Okay. We're almost into the calm water here. Now that was the most awesomest sight I've seen all year. It's still going. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that explosion over there. They got fish jumping out of the waves. We got striped bird, bluefish, you name it. All right, watch the engines. We're almost out of this. Where we can try to watch the engines. Grab that leader. That's one. Holy. You got a blue? All right, go ahead, see if you can get him down. That's gigantic. Careful.
Yep.
Oh yeah, big one. See the one he's got's even bigger than yours. That's a nice fish. All right, good. Hold on to him. Don't tighten too much. I'm going to move us out of here, all right? Just slow and low. Double hookup. Here we go. Hang on to them, boys. I'm going to bring us into the shallows so you can drown them. That's all right. Just watch. Don't cross lines. Go underneath each other. Switch places. Can't answer you, buddy. We got double hookups right now. The breakers, the fish are everywhere. can't hear me. I'm going to turn the boat.
Officer Brooks,
I know.
Danny
I'm just turning
Ocean,
the
I was
boat so
told
we
to
don't get
contact you within 24 hours.
Bill, you keep fighting yours?
No,
I'm
sir.
going to pull us out of here straight into the shore.
Had more than 28?
Yeah.
No, sir. Three.
That's a nice fish.
No, sir. I wouldn't even think about these.
Yeah, well, there it is. I saw it. He popped off? Double hook up. Double hook up. Here we go, guys. I'm going to keep it in slow forward.
Oh, it's a bluefish.
Are you sure?
I think so, yeah.
You never know, man. I got... Now, Bill comes best. What do you got? Oh, that's a bluefish. Bring this thing. Grab the boat control.
You got it?
All right, you guys play with him. I'm going to try to get us out of here.